Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed Taraweeh. The word Taraweeh will not be in the matan of any hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't call it Taraweeh. Sahaba did not call it Taraweeh. In the generations after them, this name came. Nothing wrong with the name. The name is not a big deal. Making Qiyam al-Layl in Jama' in Ramadan was done by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was done by the Sahaba during the Khilafah of Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and Umar radiyallahu anhu, and Uthman radiyallahu anhu, and Ali radiyallahu anhu, and Hassan, and later after that. And it continues till our time. Then the next night he did it as well. And one of the rawayat the third night, and then the fourth night, and one of the rawayat the third night, he did not come out. The people waited, he did not come out. And the next day he explained why. Not that there was anything wrong with what was being done. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself explained. He said, I wanted to show you that this is not fard. We didn't want that people make it an obligation. If Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did it every night in Jama'ah, people would have started to say, oh, it's fard. Just like witr, people say, oh, it's wajib. Even though it's not wajib. Ali radiyallahu anhu clarified this very clearly. But to make it clear that this is not an obligation, and this is not us trying to deduce that from the hadith. He ﷺ said it. I didn't want it to become fard on you. So Rasulullah ﷺ prayed Taraweeh fi Jama'ah fi Ramadan.
He just figured out that Taraweeh is not Taraweeh. He thought it was Mamma Mia, Taraweeh.